How to delete Apple Maps data on your iPhone. First, open the Maps application. Now, scroll down until you see the Recent section and tap on Recent section. Here, you'll find all your recent locations and search history. To delete a single location, simply press and hold on that entry. Then, swipe left. You'll see a delete button appear. Tap on it to remove that specific record. Now, if you want to clear all your Apple Maps history at once, tap on Clear at the top right corner of the screen. This would delete all your location records, search history, and navigation data in one go. And that's it. You've successfully cleared your Apple Maps data, protecting your privacy and freeing up storage space on your device. This works on all iPhone models running iOS 15 and later. Remember, clearing your Maps history will also remove your frequently visited places and favorite locations from suggestions. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Knowtech for more iPhone tips and tricks.